Have you ever heard of Jamaica water? It's a popular beverage in many Latin American countries. This delicious and refreshing drink is made from the flowers of the hibiscus plant, also known as Jamaica. Hibiscus is a flowering plant that is native to tropical regions around the world. Its flowers are typically bright red in color and have a tangy, slightly sour flavor. In many countries, hibiscus flowers are used to make a popular beverage known as Jamaica water. This drink has been enjoyed for centuries, and it's easy to see why. One of the key benefits of Jamaica water is its high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are important because they help to protect the body against damage from harmful free radicals, which can contribute to a range of health problems. Jamaica water also contains vitamin C, which is important for a healthy immune system. In fact, hibiscus flowers have been used in traditional medicine to treat colds and other respiratory ailments. Another benefit of Jamaica water is that it may help to lower blood pressure. Studies have shown that drinking hibiscus tea can help to lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, which can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. So how do you make Jamaica water at home? It's surprisingly easy. Here's a simple recipe you can try. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of dried hibiscus flowers, 8 cups of water, 1/2 cup of sugar or more to taste, 1 lime cut into wedges. Start by bringing the water to a boil in a large pot. Once the water is boiling, add the hibiscus flowers and turn off the heat. Let the flowers steep in the water for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the water turns a deep red color. Next, strain the flowers out of the water using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. While the water is still hot, add the sugar and stir until it dissolves. Finally, squeeze the juice of 1 lime into the pot and stir well. Transfer the Jamaica water to a pitcher and chill in the refrigerator for a few hours, or serve over ice. And there you have it, a delicious and refreshing drink that's also good for you. So next time you're looking for a healthy and refreshing beverage, give Jamaica water a try.